Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can center text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if I open Premiere Pro up, as you can see I have a sequence here with some text on it. Now one way that you can center text is you can turn on snapping lines. So to do that all you need to do is click on the settings icon here, and then you need to come down to where it says snap in program monitor and make sure that option is checked. Once that option is checked, when you then click and you move around a text box, you will then get a vertical and horizontal center line. So for example, if I bring the text onto this line here, that will then mean it is vertically centered. And if I bring it onto this line here, then it will be horizontally centered. And if I bring it to the center of both, then it will be centered both horizontally and vertically. Now another way you can do it is you can also right click on the text, then click Edit Properties. And then in the Essential Graphics tab, you then just want to come to the Align and Transform section. And then you can either select Align Center Horizontally, which will align the text horizontally, or you can also click on Align Center Vertically, and that will align it vertically. So if you click both of them, then it will align it both vertically and horizontally. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.